up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out, period, on any other uploads that I am uploading. And thank you for all the returning viewers that staying tuned in. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, if you haven't read the title, I'm doing a hair review, a wig review. Ooh, she got some blondes in it. It has braids. It has baby hairs, heat up to 400. I like the bounce of it. It's cute. Ooh, and the baby hairs. Can you see it? It has a comb in the nape area and the 2 combs on the side. And it also has adjustable straps, per usual. Damn, Papa, you a rare breed. No, dang, this thing is tight. I'm gonna end up messing it up. Oh no, it's too tight. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put this on. Girl, this thing is extremely tight. Like, it's cute or whatever, but why are you so tight on the head? Oh, tight. Now I have to try to make my own wig and do it like this. Like, look, no room. This thing is... This is gonna give me a headache. Now, I don't even think my head is that big, bro. I paid $39.99 for this because it was on sale. Nah, I can't keep this. It's definitely a cute unit. I love the curls. I love the braids. I love the color. The 2-tone colors of it. It's just the fit of it is too tight for my head. This is gonna give me a headache, so I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, it's already giving me a headache. So that was an epic fail. Like, it definitely did not fit my head. My head is a 21 circumference head, and it just was like sucking my circulation, and I was about to pass out. No, but yeah, if you want that wig, comment down below. You feel like you can fit the wig, but it's a nice unit, but it's just too tight for my head, and I'm disappointed. But anyway, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and until next time, peace. I would like to get to know you.